Okay, so from our opportunity, I'm going to create my document. It will first show in a previewer. The previewer allows us to scroll through the document and review if everything is okay. This one looks fine. We have all the details here that we want to show to our customer, and then we're going to send it out for signing. So the customer has different ways of signing, as we will see in a minute. And for this one, we're going to select the signing via eID. So I have received my email, and now I can just click the email and go for my signing session. Inside my signing session, I also have to, now I'm the client, so I have to sign it. So I have to review my document. So scroll to the end of the document and then indicate that I'm ready to sign. Now, when signing, I select my Belgium eID, so that's via the eID card. And then I have to install the Connective browser package. So I'm going to install it for Edge because here I'm on the Edge browser, and then click the Get button to add the extension. Okay, so now the extension is added, so I can renew my page, and now the installation is done, and I'm redirected to my sign request, as you can see over here. So it's now finding my card reader. I have to enter my ID card into the card reader, which I will do right now. And then it already indicates that it found my card. So it's making the connection with the card reader, preparing the document, it seems. And now I have to provide my PIN code. After I've provided my PIN code, it's now adding the signature, and my signing is done, so I can go back to the document. Let's take a look in Salesforce if my sign request has been finished now. Yes, it's all finished and it has been signed. So I can now see my signed document right here. It downloads the signed document. And let's open the signed document in Adobe, because in Adobe I can review the signature. So this is my document, the signature is there, and if I check here, you can see it's signed by Igor Stuiver. So because now it recognizes the signer, because the signing was done via my eID card, and all the signatures are correct. It's completely valid, and it has been signed with eID.